understanding the phrase whiz at, unraveling its meaning and usage. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we've got a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, whiz at. You might have heard this phrase being used in conversations or seen it in books and wondered, what does it mean? Well, you're in the right place, as we're going to explore this phrase in detail. So, let's get started. The phrase, whiz at, is an informal way of saying that someone is extremely skilled or proficient at a particular activity. When you say that someone is a whiz at something, you are praising their ability to perform that task with ease and expertise. It's like saying they are an expert or a pro at it. For example, if someone is really good at solving math problems quickly, you might say, she's a whiz at math. Let's break down the phrase a bit. The word whiz refers to someone who is very clever or skilled, and the word at is a preposition that introduces the activity or field in which the person excels. So, when you put them together, you're essentially saying that someone excels in a particular field or activity. Now, let's see how we can use this phrase in sentences. 1. My brother is a whiz at computer programming. He can write complex codes in no time. 2. Sarah is a whiz at baking. Her cakes always taste heavenly. 3. I've heard that he's a whiz at playing the guitar. 4. If you need help with your taxes, you should ask Janet. She's a whiz at finance. Notice that in each of these examples, the phrase, whiz at, is used to highlight the person's exceptional skill in a specific area. It's also worth noting that the word, whiz, can be used on its own to refer to a clever or skillful person. For instance, you might hear someone say, he's a real whiz. In this case, the context would help you understand what particular skill or talent they are referring to. And there we have it, a complete breakdown of the phrase, whiz at. I hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident using this phrase in your own conversations. Remember, language is all about practice, so don't be shy to use whiz at whenever you want to compliment someone's skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.